All right, welcome to a new video today. Today I'm going to go over how to find your passwords for all the websites you're registered on an iPad. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Passwords app. I have actually the app on the top and the bottom of my screen. I'm not going to click it right now. It's because I don't want people to see my username on all the websites that I am registered on. So I'm actually going to go to a screenshot of it. Basically, if you don't have the Passwords app on your iPad right now, you can also download it in the App Store. It used to be where you can go into settings and you should be able to click on, there was like a setting in settings where you can just click on where it said password, and it actually will show you every password that you have for each website that you're registered on. It's not like that anymore. So when I got this iPad, I had this Passwords app. I believe it was already on my iPad, and I was able to locate my passwords that way. So let's just go into the screenshot. All right, so this is how it looks like when you click on the Passwords app. At the left-hand side, you'll see where it says passwords, and it says all. So these are all the passwords that are on these websites that you're registered on. The website that is clicked on right now is Etsy, and you'll see the username and password on the right-hand side for this particular website. Lanchi.peterson@icloud.com is the username. Can't see the password just because it is blocked out. So the only thing you have to do is, in order to be able to see that password, you just click on where those dots are at, and it'll bring up what the password is. Also, in the Passwords app, you can also change the password for each one of the websites. I want to just go over really quickly, going back to the left-hand side where it says passwords. Now, where it says passkeys, you can create passkeys, and you can see what your passkey is. I'll go over that more in depth if people want to know, but I'm just going to mention that. I don't like really doing too much of passkeys, too much, but I don't think I've had any passkeys that I've created so far. Codes, verification codes, where you see on the right hand side it says set up a verification code. If you want to set up codes, verification codes for each website, you can do that as well too. For Wi-Fi, this is a good one because it actually, if you forgot the password to your Wi-Fi account, it actually will tell you the name of your Wi-Fi account, and also too the password for it as well if you forgot that. Now where it says security, it's going to tell you all the compromised passwords for each website. And that's important because if your password has been compromised, it's always good to know that, and you can also change that. And that's why I'm glad in the Passwords app, you can change passwords if your password has been compromised. Now, where it says delete, if you deleted any password for different types of websites, that actually will tell you that as well too. So, like I said, you can download this Passwords app on the App Store if you don't have it on your iPad right now. It's pretty much it for that. Now, let me just show you something else. So let me just go to my main screen, go into settings. All right, so in order to turn on this feature, be able to see all every password that you have for your website you're registered on, you want to just go into settings, and you want to go where it says iCloud passwords and keychain, and just turn that on where it says sync this iPad. Just make sure it's green. The easiest way to do it is just when you go into settings, just go into the search box and just type in iCloud passwords and keychain. There's another way to show it, but I don't want to show any private information about me that people might want to write down. So that's the reason why I'm not going to show you how to do that. But if you have any questions how to really do that, just let me know in the comments, and I'll let you know. All right, and then that's pretty much it for this video. Like and subscribe as always. If people like and subscribe, especially subscribe it, people able to find my videos in algorithm. I'm pretty lucky that these videos that I do, that people do find them, and I actually do get some pretty good views for them, considering they're just like technical support type videos that I've done in the past. All right, until then, see you next time for another video.